Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding the button until the Redmi logo appears on the screen. Once it appears, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to our phone we want to pair our watch with and install the required application, which is Mi Fitness. And to do that, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness and tap on search. And you should see this application, Mi Fitness, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear. Tap on install it to install the app. Now we can go to our watch. And as you can see, we have the list of languages on the screen. We can scroll through this list, find the language we would like to use on our watch, and then tap on it to select it. And then you will see the QR code on the screen, which means we can use it to pair the devices together and download the application. But we already downloaded the application. We can tap on Start. Check the first box, tap on Agree. Here we need to select the service region we prefer. To do it, tap right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use and tap on it, then tap Next. Now we can tap on Device, and as you can see, we're being asked to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on Create Account right here to make a new one and then use it. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in into my account, so give me a few seconds. Like this, check the box, tap on sign in, and after you log in, you might see this pop up on about the turn on sync. Tap on OK, and then you can tap on device again, tap on add device, tap on agree, allow the required permission, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch automatically. Once it does, tap on it to select it, tap on allow, tap on the check mark on the watch. Here you can check or uncheck the box to install updates automatically, then tap Next. You can select preferred app layout. You can basically tap on one to select it, or on the checkbox next to it to select it, like this. And then you can tap on Continue. Right here we can enable the app notifications, and if you want to use it, you will need to allow some permissions. If you don't care, you can skip it. But to use it, you simply tap on Next. Or rather, first you can choose between mirror phone notifications. Basically, this will mirror settings, notification settings from your phone, basically. And customize notifications allows you to enable and disable notifications for specific apps on your phone. And you can do it separately from the settings from the phone, basically. So you can do it differently than you have it on your phone set up. And once you're done, you can tap on Next, tap on OK. It will bring you to this page, and here we need to allow the notification access. And to do that, tap on Mi Fitness, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then you can tap on back button right here at the top to go back. And then we have another permission for the incoming calls. If you want to use this feature, tap on Next and allow the required permissions. If you don't care, tap on Dismiss and it will be disabled. I'm gonna allow it all for the sake of the video, like that. Next, we have the weather updates. Again, this will require another permission. You can dismiss it or tap on Next and allow the required permissions. The app will bother you to allow it all the time, which is very annoying. Apps tend to do that now, but I'm just gonna ignore it and go back. Tap on Next, Start. And at this point, you should see your Redmi Watch 6 right here on the device page. And if you go to your watch, you can skip the tutorial, or you can go through it. Of course, you don't need to do the same things as I did. And once you're done with the tutorial, you should see the watch face and your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.